Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me, Wacom Intuos Pro M device, and now I'm going to show you how to enable touch mode to use your Wacom Intuos device like a touchpad. So if you want to use this device like a huge touchpad or touch bar, like in touch bar, like in Mac OS devices, so you just need to switch the touch bar mode on the left side of your graphic tablet. So here on the left panel you have touch bar mode or tablet mode. So if you will enable touches, you will see the window with touch on text, and if you will disable, you will disable the touch. So that's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to the other channel, and bye. See you.